Yes, ma'am.
I'm Reverend Wendy Van Orden, a United Methodist pastor
Welcome.
of 50 years. I have counseled many people. I am the daughter of two physicians. My mother was president of Planned Parenthood, worked with Margaret Sanger. I remember the sound of the heartbeat when I was pregnant, of a whoosh, 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 the train. And it was a wanted and, after infertility, a very precious life. And I've had two children. I want to emphasize that although it's a difficult point of decision for people, we need to have compassion for the woman and the father. We need to care about the determination of their lives and their choice and the freedom of privacy. So I stand opposed to this legislation, and I'll be happy to answer questions.
Thank you very much.